Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. If you all wish to have such healthy and shiny hair, this is the video you need to follow. I have a simple recipe, please continue watching. For this I will be making a coconut cream which is loaded with protein. For this recipe I will be using soya. As you all know, soya is very rich in protein and our hair is made up of keratin which is also a form of protein. So we need to nourish the protein of the hair with this soya protein. It gives nourishment. It also enhances the silkiness of your hair. The texture of your hair will be very good. So for that I'm taking 1 or 2 tablespoons of soya for my shoulder length hair. If you have long hair, you can take the soya, increase the quantity of soya. I'm going to soak it overnight and this is how it looks. This is best for people who do not want to use eggs as their protein. Just a spoonful full of soya will give that protein richness to your hair. Next I will be using coconut pieces 1 cup to make the coconut cream. The coconut cream or malai has vitamins and minerals that are essential for healthy hair growth. It can nourish the hair follicles and stimulate hair growth. It can also condition your hair, keeping it soft and shiny. If you have a coconut cream made already, you can use half a cup of the coconut cream. I have a video now to make a coconut cream. You can check it out. I'll leave the link in the description box. So first thing is you need to grind all this. I'll take a mixer jar, add in the soya. Now add 1 cup of the cut coconut pieces. If you are using the coconut cream, just grind only the soya. So grind it into a smooth paste. You can check it occasionally and see if it is fine enough. If you want to add, just add a little bit of water, at least 2 or 3 teaspoons of water, so that you can grind it into smooth paste. This is the paste, this is the consistency you need to acquire to make it into a cream. So just strain it using a strainer. If you find this as a tedious process like how I did, you can also use a fine muslin cloth and squeeze all the cream and the protein of the soya. You are just extracting the protein, soya milk protein. Just squeeze everything and the milk will be ready. Squeeze the paste tightly enough so that you are extracting at least 1 cup of the soya milk cream. If you have used more quantity of the ingredients, you will be extracting more milk. It can be stored in the refrigerator after using how much ever you want. The residue can be dried so that you can use it as a body scrubber. Here I've got 1 cup of the soya milk cream. For that I'm adding 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Corn flour acts as a thickening agent. It gives that cream-like consistency. Also, it adds some sort of a slip to your hair when you're using this corn flour. So to make this as a cream, I'm going to use a double boiler method where I've placed a pan, heated the pan, and I'm placing a thick bottomed bowl, adding the milk and stirring it continuously so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. At the middle of the process, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I'll be using coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice and stir it continuously. After a minute, this will thicken and it will form a cream-like consistency so that it is easy to apply on your hair. Do not thicken it too much, otherwise it'll become a blob like. You will not be able to spread it on your hair easily. So this is how the consistency should be. It should be creamy, it should be slippery, and it should be easily applicable on your hair. So I have got 1 bowl of this cream, which is enough for my shoulder length hair. If you are using more quantity, you will get at least more of this cream. Apply it to the roots, to the tip. Since you need to get a very shiny and silky hair, applying it on the entire length of your hair is very important. So applying and leave it for at least 1 hour, and this is you can wash off with a natural shampoo and your hair will feel such shiny and silky that you will always love your hair. So try this and see how it works for you. If you like more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.